I know you're going to want to watch this episode, International Buyers, with our International Sales Director. What else do you want?
Really, Mary?
Hey, it's Mary Bartos from Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, and this Really Mary episode is really about who's coming to visit us and where they're coming from and who's coming to buy in Southwest Florida. Now, it is my distinct pleasure to have my friend, co-worker, and amazing sales director of the Bartos Group on with me today, Ricardo Severini.
Thank you, Mary. Thank you for asking me to come here.
And as you can tell a little bit from his accent when he starts to speak, English is a great spoken language for him, but he is from somewhere else and speaks not one, not two, not three, not four, but 5 languages.
I'm originally from Italy, but I do speak Portuguese, I speak Spanish, I speak French, and English, and I'm getting the Florida accent now, so which is really good. So.
I didn't know Florida had an accent, but I'm going to go with that. So one of the many reasons that we brought Ricardo on to be our sales leader here as a sales director at the Bartos Group is really not only from his vast experience in leading large teams, but what he brings to this team from an international perspective. And Ricardo, I know you've been talking to a lot of folks about why you specifically picked Southwest Florida. Mm-hmm. So tell us a little bit about that.
Well, besides the sun,
who needs more?
You guys have everything here, but really the reason why a lot of people are coming here to this region and trying to invest, they're tired of Miami, they're tired of Orlando, they're looking for something different. You know, they want Americana, but they want a small town kind of feel to it also. And Southwest Florida has everything that they're looking for in a combined way for investment. So it's a very distinct region, let's say. But the airports here make it very accessible for them to come here, right? So they're really, really looking into this area different than other sides of the states.
Right, and we've always had large Canadian population here, per se. Mm-hmm. We've always had a lot of Germans here, but they're coming from other places, right?
Exactly, though. We have the British, a lot of the English are coming, the Irish, okay. We also have a lot of Russians coming towards this side.
Right.
All right. Italians, of course, they're coming here. So, and then we're looking at other distinct areas also. We have a lot of Chinese investment coming towards this area, okay, from China. Japan and South America. So, South America is already, we have kind of like ties with being Florida and all. Yes. But you have a large influx right now of Brazilians and Argentines coming towards this area also.
Which is amazing. Now, Ricardo, I know we have statistics in 2020 and 2021. Yeah. When the world has been shut down, aren't really there. Yeah. But when we look back to 18 and 19, we were looking at those statistics and really share with what percentage of our visitors are coming from different places.
Well, just to have an idea, let's see, in 2018, 2019, you had about, 4 or 5% that were Canadian that were coming here, right? From Europe, we were looking at about 15 to 16% that were coming here during those times. And then from other countries, it was about 4 or 5%. Now this is pre-COVID, times, right, Mary? So now nobody was able to travel last year, and now they're dying. They're calling me. We can come down and visit. We want to come and visit because now the flights have been available again. So we expect a large influx of clients coming in the next couple of months.
Absolutely, and I guess they're going to come and visit first. And then decide if they like it. If they like it, they're going to buy. Exactly. What kinds of properties are the international buyers looking for?
Look, they look like mostly second homes, right? Yeah. That's what they look for. But they want an investment income coming out of these homes, right? Yeah. So it's purely, I would say that it's kind of like they're going to be here for 4 or 5 months and then they want to rent it out for the rest of the time. So they're looking for more condos or smaller homes, but closer to the beach, the better.
Right.
Yeah.
So like a typical investor that we have in this area. So, the really cool and exciting thing is that we've always known Southwest Florida is very international. I think it's going to get more international.
Exactly.
Ricardo sought out this location, and hence how he came to us, and we're super excited about it. But, at the end of the day, it's really about finding your piece of paradise. And so from us here at the Bartos Group, we wish you a very happy and healthy holiday, and we look forward to seeing you here in Paradise, maybe buying a property, whether you're from the States or international. We'd love to see you.
Happy holidays, everybody.